Hello friend, welcome back. In your previous video, I already discussed about that things with you, how can design your page with using the Bootstrap material design, and now it's perfectly visible on here. In this video, I will show you how can create the database and how can configure it into the Laravel. For doing this, first of all, here you have to go to the local host. So here there is my local host. Right now I am using the XAMPP, and here make that sure you are started your Apache and the MySQL, and now go to the PHP admin, and into the PHP admin that is our database. For now I just select as a database, and into the database there have option for the create database. Right now I want to create one of the database as a L code, and now there is an option for the create. Now I just click on the create, and now here you can see our database is created successfully. So now our database name is L code. So now I want to configure it. So for configure it, you have to go to your this position, that means in your root directory, and here there is also one of the file as if. Now you have to open it, and in particular that position here you can see that is actually the database, and that you have to put your database username and the password. So right now I created one of the database as a L code, so I just paste on particular that position, and now I am using the local host. For local host, our username is the root, that is actually the by default, and password that have no password. So you get all that information, like if you go to your main database area, and now there is an account, that means the user account, and into the user account here you can see there is a username by default, that is actually the root, host name as the local host, and password right now I don't have any password. For the reasons I just make the things as a blank, so that is actually the blank, and the username I just define as the root, and that is our database. For now if you click on the save all, and now I just want to refresh that page, see if everything okay, it should be work. You can see it's perfectly, they have no errors, so it's perfectly configured. So how much easily you can configure it in Laravel, I hope you can well understand about it. But if you want to do that work with using the PHP, then you have to write down a lot of the code for this one. I hope you can well understand about it. In our next video, I will discuss about that route, how can create the route and how the route actually work in the Laravel. Each and everything will be very much clear to you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.